How to disable Microsoft Defender with Group Policy Editor in Windows 10. Open your Windows settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Switch Tamper Protection to Off. Press Win+R. Type gpedit.msc in the Run window and press Enter. Navigate to the Microsoft Defender antivirus. Double-click Turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Click Enabled. Click OK. Restart your computer. Change the Turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus to Not configured in the Group Policy Editor to turn Microsoft Defender back on. Thanks for watching.